Hello, friends. My name is Amit, and I welcome you in my YouTube channel Essential Education. In today's class, we are going to study multiplication of fractions, division of fractions, and conversion of fractions from percentage and decimals. If you like the video, share it with your friends, and now take copy and pen to study with me. It will give you better understanding of concepts.
Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Let us take an example. 2 is whole number and 7 by 3 is a fraction. Okay, clear? So, write 1 in place of denominator and just simply multiply numerator to numerator. 2 into 7 and denominator to denominator. 2 sevens are 14 and 3 ones are 3, and convert it in mixed fractions. Suppose it is given like this: 4 by 3 multiply by 15. How will you do it? Just do the same. 4 into 15 and multiply now denominator. 3 into 1, 15 fours are 60 and 3 ones are 3. Now just do the simplification. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so your answer will come 20. Always remember that, students, you can solve the questions in this way also. Just suppose 4 by 3 into 15 by 1 is given to you. Just do the simplification in your earlier stage. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, and now multiply 4 into 5, 1 into 1, so you will get 20 from here directly. So if you are simplifying your problem in earlier stage, it will be easy to perform your calculation. So it is my suggestion, do the calculation in earlier stage. Okay. Now do the multiplication of fraction by fraction. To understand this, I am taking here one example. 3 by 7 multiply by 4 by 5. So again just multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 4 fours are 16, 7 fives are 35. It is in proper fraction, so 16 by 35 will be your answer. If it is given in mixed fraction, 2 1 by 3 multiply by 4 3 by 7, then how will you do it? Just convert it to improper fraction. 2 threes are 6 and 7 by 3 multiply. Now convert it second fraction to improper. 7 fours are 28 plus 3 31 by 7. Now as I have told you, do the simplification in earlier stage. So Now just simplify it. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 1 by 3 into 31 by 1. Now multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator like this. Now convert it to mixed fraction. 3 ones are 3, 0. So 1 and 3. If you are facing problem in converting to improper to mixed fraction, please watch video 1, which I have named fraction part 1, and link is given in the description box. Multiplication of fraction with an operator of. So student, always remember that this operator of is also work as multiplication. So my dear friends, if the question is given like that, 3 by 7 of 28, how will you do? Just replace this of with multiplication and do as same we are doing in the above section in learning how to do multiplication. Just simplify it. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 3 fours are 12 by 1. So 12 will be your answer. Look at one more example to improve your understanding about operator of. 4 by 5 of 20 by 7. How will you do it? Just simply write 4 by 5 multiply 20 by 7 and 5 fours are 20. Do the simplification. 5 fours are 20, and now write like this. 4 by 1. After simplification, write both the fractions 4 by 7 and do the simple multiplication. 4 fours are 16 by 7. Okay students, next topic is reciprocal of fractions. Always remember that reciprocal of any number is written as 1 by a. Okay. The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator. But you have to remember that 0 is divided by any number, means 0 itself. We cannot find reciprocal of a number which is divided by 0 because it is undefined. Okay. So to understand the reciprocal, I am taking an example. Find the reciprocal for the following. I am taking 3 examples. First I have taken 14, second I have taken 3 by 7, third I have taken 4 1 by 3. Okay. So reciprocal of 14 will be 1 by 14. Just you have to write 1 upon the given number if it is written in whole number. Okay. And Do the now second problem. Reciprocal of 3/7. Now if it is given in fraction, just change the numerator and denominator. So it will become 7/3. Third, reciprocal of 4 1/3. So first convert it to in improper fraction. How will you convert? 3 4s are 12, 1 13, 13/3. So its reciprocal will come 3/13. So in this way you can find out the reciprocal. But my dear students, always remember that I have written it also, but look at here, you cannot find the reciprocal for 0/7 and 0/8, like this 0/13. So we cannot calculate the reciprocal for number which is written in 0/7, 0/8, or you can take any number where 0 is divided by that number. You cannot calculate the reciprocal for that, because it will come number divided by 0 which is undefined. Okay. So I will write here, we cannot calculate reciprocal. Okay. Now we are going to learn division of fractions. So division of a whole number by a fraction. So look at the example to understand this. 7 by, first take a whole number. Whole number is suppose 14 and it is divided by 7/4. So how will you perform the division? First, whatever the number written first, here 14 is written first, write as it is 14, and write the reciprocal of the second number, means divisor. Write the reciprocal of divisor, and sign will change division to multiplication. Sign will change division to multiplication. Okay. So I have changed the sign, division to multiplication, and write the reciprocal of this. So 4/7 will come. Take reciprocal, I have written, so you can always remember. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 2 multiply by 4/1, just put a numerator for your reference and your answer will come 4 2s are 8. So when 1 is in denominator, there is no need to write 1. So your answer will come 8. Okay. Now we are going to understand division of a fraction by a whole number. How you will do it? Let us take an example to understand this. 3 by 7 is a fraction and you want to divide it by a whole number which is 6. Again what we do? We will write the first number means fraction 3 by 7 as it is, and the second number which is 6 we will write it in reciprocal form, okay, and change the sign division to multiplication. So I will change the sign division to multiplication and I will write the reciprocal of 6, and we know that how to write a whole number, just write 1 by 6, okay. So 1 by 6 will be reciprocal of 6. Now do the simplification. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 1 multiply by 1 and you will get here 7 into 2. So your answer will come 1 by 14, okay. This will be your answer. Now we are going to learn how to divide fraction by another fraction. Let us take one example. 3 by 7 divided by 4 by 5. How will you divide it? Do the same procedure. Write the first number which is 3 by 7, okay, and just change the sign division to multiplication and take the reciprocal of this second number which will be 5 by 4, and now multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator and your answer will come. 5 3s are 15, 7 4s are 28. So in this way you can multiply. When 3 by 5, 3 into 5 and 7 into 14, you will get 15 by 28. Clear? So I hope you have understand division of a fraction by another fraction. Now we will perform conversion of fractions, decimal and into percents. So I am taking one example. 5 by 2. Suppose we want to convert into decimal. To convert in decimal, we just simply perform the division. Numerator will be as dividend and denominator as a divisor. So now do the division. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder. So now take the decimal point and the value become now 10. 2 5s are 10. So in this way the fraction can be converted into decimal. 2.5. How you will convert given fractions into percentage? Suppose I have taken 7 by 25, okay, and we want to convert into percentage. To convert into percentage, we just multiply the given fraction by 100 and put a percent sign, okay, and now do the simplification. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So your percents will come 7 into 4, 7 fours are 28, Okay, so 28%. Clear? So in this way you can convert a given fraction into percents. And suppose that if you want to convert a decimal, okay, into fractions, decimal to fraction, how you can convert? (7.2) is decimal value and we want to convert it in fraction. How you can do this? Just remove the decimal point, okay, remove the decimal point and count the number after decimal. Here is written 2, so one number is written after decimal point, so we will put below 10. Suppose that if there are two numbers written after decimal point, we will write 100 in denominator. If three numbers are written in decimal after decimal points, then we will write 1000. Okay, so 72 by 10, and simply now perform the reduction. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. So 36 by 5, convert it in mixed fraction. 5 7s are 35, 1 by 5. Okay, so in this way you can convert decimal to fraction. Suppose you want to convert percents to fraction. Take an example to understand this. Suppose 7 by 1 by 2 percent and you want to convert it in you want to convert it in fraction. So how you will do? Just change it to improper. 7 2s are 14 and 15 by 2 percents, and write this percents as 1 by 100. Okay, always remember that whenever you are going to convert percents to fraction, write percents as 1 by 100. So how you will get now? 15 by 2 into 1 by 100. Okay, now do the simplification. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10, 0. Now just perform the multiplication. 3 1s are 3 and 2 2s are 4, so 40 will come in denominator. Clear? So in this way you can convert the given percents into fractions. So my dear students, after covering this topic, I have covered all the topics related to fractions. Now you can solve all the problems of fractions in very easy way. If you have any problem regarding any concept, please comment to me and I will clear your doubts. Okay, so my dear students, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Day by day I will come with one topics, okay, and I will clear it. In this way you can prepare for your exam, and
press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Okay, goodbye students, take care of yourself.